Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all in today's maths class. My dear students, in today's class we will do the recap of comparing numbers. Means put the correct sign. Okay, so bring out your notebooks, write the date and day on your notebooks first. Hurry up, bring out your notebooks. Yes, what is the date today? Today is 6th July 2021. So, right? 6 7 2021, and day is Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday. And today's topic is comparing number or put the correct sign. Put the correct sign. These are the three signs we have to use accordingly. Write the topic quickly. Write the same sums ma'am is doing, writing on the board. Write in your notebooks. Write this all. Okay, now let's start from the first sum, 4 and 6. We have two numbers here, 4 and 6, and we have to compare each other, that which is greater and which is smaller. So how we will do it? Okay, see, if someone has 4 pencils and the other child has 6 pencils, so who have more pencils, 4 or 6? Yes, which pencils are more than other? 4 are more or 6 are more? 6 pencils are more than 4 pencils. Yes. So 6 is greater number and 4 is smaller number. So we will use this sign here. Open side greater number and this pointer side, closer side, smaller number. Done? Okay, the next is 3 and 1. Which is greater number and which is smaller? to compare the numbers to find out that which is smaller and which is greater. What we have done here, yes, स्मॉलर एंड ग्रेटर नंबर को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यहाँ हमने पेंसिल्स का एग्जाम्पल लिया. यस, द अदर थिंग इज कि जब हम काउंटिंग राइट करते हैं या स्पीक करते हैं, बोलते हैं, तो जो नंबर पहले आता है दैट इज स्मॉलर नंबर एंड दैट नंबर विच कम्स आफ्टर दैट इज ग्रेटर नंबर. 1 and 3. ओके, अगर हम इसे काउंटिंग बोल के देखें तो 1 2 3 4 5. okay, in these 5 numbers which number come first from these two? 1 और 3 में से पहले कौन सा नंबर आया? 1. yes. 2 3 then 3 बाद में आता है. so 1 is smaller than 3 is greater number and 1 is smaller number. So we will make a sign like this. Here the open side, here is a greater number and closer side, here is smaller number. Okay, 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Okay, here I have 4 fingers open on my hand and here are only 2. Okay, which is greater and which is smaller number, which are more than other? These are less and these are more. So more number is greater number. 4 is greater number. Next is 16 and 7. Always keep it in your mind that one digit number is always smaller than two digit number. Here we have only one digit number and this is two digit number. So one digit number is always smaller than two digit number. So 16 is greater than 7. Understand? Good. 13 and 15. 13 and 15. ओके, जब काउंटिंग में 13 पहले आएगा या 15? 11 12 13 14 15. 13 comes first na, so 13 is smaller number. 18 and 21. Okay, you tell me now which is smaller and which is greater. 18 and 21, which is smaller number? Yes, 18. Very good. 18 is smaller than 21. Okay, 23 and 12. 12 and 23. Which comes first in counting? Yes. कौन सी लाइन पहले आती है? 11 12 वाली या 21 22 वाली? 11 12 वाली. Yes, exactly right. Okay, so 12 is smaller than 23. So we will make a sign like this. 23 is greater than 12. The next is 22 and 22. Both are same, means equal. When we have two numbers and both are same, then we will make a sign of equal like this. 4 and 16. Again we have two numbers and one is one digit and another is two digit number. So which is greater, 4 or 16? Yes, well done. 16 is greater than 4 because 16 is two digit number and 4 is only one digit number. Okay, 19 and 19. Again we have two same numbers. So which sign we will put here? Sign of equal. Yes, very good. Okay, next is 21 and 12. 21 and 12. Which number is greater than other? Which is greater, 12 or 21? Yes, well done, superb. 21 is greater than 12 because yes, किस लिए 21 बड़ा कैसे है, ग्रेटर नंबर कैसे है? बिकॉज ये काउंटिंग में बाद में आता है. यस, 11 12 वाली लाइन पहले आती है. 12 इज स्मॉलर नंबर एंड 21 इज ग्रेटर नंबर. Okay, 14 and 23. 14 and 23. So 23 is greater than 14. 16 and 29. 16 and 29. You tell me now which is greater and which is smaller. Yes, 16 is smaller than 29. Very good. Again 14 and 11. 14 and 11. Let's speak the counting from 11. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14. 11 are less than 14. Yes, and 11 comes first in counting and 14 after 11. है ना? 14 जो है वो 11 से डाउन में आता है ना. 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, so 11 is smaller than 14. 20 and 10. Okay, tell me quickly, hurry up. 20 and 10, which is smaller number? Yes, good. 10 is smaller number and 20 is greater number. Done? I hope you all understand this concept. आता है ना आप सबको? So do it quickly in your notebooks. Done? Okay. Open the next page of your notebook. And now we will do one more topic. Our next topic is circle the greatest number. Circle the greatest number. Now we have to find out the greatest number from 3 or 4 numbers. Okay. Two, 16, 8, 5, 7, 3, 12, 15, 11, 19, 2, 12, 14, 11, 18. Done? Write the same sums in your notebooks and after then we will find the greatest number from each set and circle that number. Okay, the first is 2, 16 and 8. 2, 16 and 8. First of all, always you have to keep in mind that one digit number is always smaller than two digit number. Yes, remember, सबको पता है ना कि one digit number two digit number से smaller होता है. Yes. So here we have two one digit numbers and one two digit number. 2, 8 and 16. So from these three we have one two-digit number, and that is greater from these two. So from these all 16 is greatest, then we will make a circle around it. Make a circle quickly. Okay, the next is 5, 7, 13. 5, 7 and 13. जब भी हम काउंटिंग बोलते हैं तो 5 and 7 कौन सी लाइन में आती है? फर्स्ट लाइन में, है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 to 10 काउंटिंग में 5 and 7 दोनों नंबर्स आ गए, and 13 comes in next line. Yes, जो नंबर बाद में आते हैं that are greater number, and again we have these two numbers with only one digit, and this is two digit number. So again 13 is a greatest number. Understand? And I hope you all are enjoying the class. Very good. The next is 12, 15 and 11. Here we have three numbers and all three are two-digit numbers. देखिए यहाँ पर three numbers हैं and all numbers are two-digit number. यहाँ पे हमारे पास one-digit number नहीं है. So how we will compare? We will speak the counting from number 11. देखिए 12, 15 and 11. All numbers comes in line 11 to 20. Yes. So we will speak the counting from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Tell me that which number comes first in this line? 11. So 11 is smallest from these three. Because 11 comes first, that is smallest number. Now 12 and 15. Which number comes later? 12 पहले आता है या 15? 12. So 15 comes in last. So this is greatest number. जो नंबर बाद में आते हैं that are greater or greatest numbers. 19, 2 and 12. We have to compare these three numbers and find out the greatest number. From these three, we have one digit number. So this is smallest number. Yes. Now we will compare these two numbers, 19 and 12. 19 and 12. Which number comes first? पहले कौन सा आता है? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 12 come first and 19 in the last. It comes later. Yes. So 19 is greatest number. 14, 11 and 18. 14, 11 and 18. Always see this side which number is placed on tens place. We will compare these numbers, but these are same 1, 1 and 1. We can't compare these numbers because these three are same. So we will see, look here, 4, 1 and 8. 4, 1 and 8. Which number shows more object? 1 is 1 more, 4 or 8. Which number shows more? 8. Very good. So 18 is the greatest number from these three. I hope you enjoyed today's learning and you all understand the concept of comparing numbers and find out the greatest number. Yes, my dear students, we will meet in our next class now. Bye-bye. Take care.